Hi, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm giving my review of the SimPure water filtration system. This is the 8-stage alkalizing and UV reverse osmosis system, and I did receive this as a gift in exchange for my review. So I'm going to share with you guys all of my thoughts on the product and some of the benefits that may come from it. Now, I am not a healthcare professional and I am not making any medical claims. I am purely sharing my thoughts. That being said, always make sure to consult your healthcare provider with any healthcare concerns. So to get started, my husband was able to install this for us and he was thoroughly impressed with everything from the packaging down to the installation process, the instructions they provide, and the materials that they give. So here is a real quick look at that installation process. Alright, so now that it's all hooked up, I'm going to test some pH levels, starting with just the tap water from my sink. All right, so about 8.2. Now this is the reverse osmosis water from our filtration system. So let's try this one out. So this came in at a great alkaline pH of about 9.6. Now for the refrigerator filtered water. All right, somewhere around 6.8. And then here is the Deer Park water. So this came in at like a scary acidic level of like 4.8. So this system does remineralize the water, which not only helps with the taste, but it also makes sure that you have essential nutrients in your water that's supposed to be there. So it is getting rid of those harmful contaminants, heavy metals, chlorine, fluoride, all of those things that we really don't want in our water, we don't want in our bodies, but it is making sure that the good stuff is still in there. So as far as taste goes, I really enjoy this water. I think that it has a neutral taste. It is smooth. I can certainly tell a difference between my faucet water, which I really do not drink, but I did taste, so I can experience the difference between these two. And I can tell a difference between my refrigerator water and this water as well. Now, another place that I really love this water is for making coffee. I love putting this water in my Keurig and making a cup of coffee. My coffee is less bitter and therefore seems a lot more flavorful, so I really enjoy using this in coffee. Now, one of the reasons I was most excited about this product is that it alkalizes the water. I have personally heard many success stories with alkaline water, and I have tried it here and there, like as bottled water, but never something that was long-term or frequent, so I never got to experience any kind of benefits from it. I have been drinking this water now for a week, and I do feel like it hydrates me more, which I know might sound crazy, but I often, when I feel super thirsty, I drink a bottle of water like that Deer Park or my refrigerator water, and I don't feel like it quenches my thirst like this does. This, I can drink a glass and I feel like I got water. I do see a benefit in that area, and I think that that will in turn help with skin hydration, hair hydration, nail hydration. Now, I've only been using it for a week, so I can't speak to that yet, but I am excited for the possibility of those benefits to come. Now, there are some studies that suggest other benefits. Again, I will say I am not a healthcare professional. I would suggest doing your own research, but some of the studies that I have seen have suggested that it can help with overall hydration because the water can be absorbed more easily, therefore resulting in quicker hydration and longer lasting effective hydration. So if you're someone that works out frequently or just exerts yourself often, then I think this could be a really wonderful option. There are also some studies that suggest this could be helpful at boosting your immune system by neutralizing free radicals, and therefore it could also help reduce inflammation in the body. I just suggest doing your own research. I do think this is a phenomenal product. From unpacking to installation, the water is certainly enjoyable to me, and it's incredibly neutral. Like, I've had so many issues with water. I've had purified bottled water taste like chemicals to me, tons of just off-tasting, off-putting water, and this is not the case with this water. It is very refreshing, very neutral, and very smooth. I know that sounds maybe silly for water because water tends to be pretty smooth, but there is something about the way that this feels in the mouth, on the tongue, that is just different from other water. So if you are interested in trying a reverse osmosis or like alkaline water system, I think this is a phenomenal option. It is compact, it's effective, it's easy to replace the filters by just twisting them off. The water taste is wonderful. It comes with everything that you need. And I personally look forward to the possible benefits that can come from drinking this long term. So I would highly suggest giving it a try, and I hope you love it as much as I do.